I'm Journey the Creator and welcome to my first YouTube video. Today we're going to be making a 2-colored Mad Max style bracelet. Materials needed are a pair of scissors, a lighter, 2 fids, a tape measure, and 2 colors of 5 feet of paracord. So let's get started. So to get started, you're going to take your 2 ends of paracord and melt them together like you see I did here. So now that your 2 ends are melted together, you can take and make a loop like you see I did here. And then you can measure out how long you want your bracelet to be, which if you make it a little small, it's fine, because the bracelet is adjustable. So now you're going to take the end that you measured and flip it up, and that's going to be your working end. So you're going to take your right strand and place it over the middle, making a loop. Going to take the left strand and place it over the right, and then take it under everything and then through the right loop. Careful when you're tightening that first knot, because if you're not, you might lose some length in your bracelet. Take your now left strand and place it over the middle, making a loop. And then take your right strand over the left, under everything, and through the left loop. Tighten everything up and then repeat. Take the right strand over the middle, making a loop, and then take the left strand over the right, under everything, and through the right loop, and then tighten firmly. Once again, you're going to take your left strand over the middle, then take your right strand over the left strand, under everything, through the loop, and then you can continue to do this till you reach the end. Okay, so I finished all my knots, and now I'm going to put my fid on the end of my paracord. So now that the fid is on the paracord, you can take and poke it through the hole and pull it through, but when you're tightening it, make sure that there's no twists in the paracord. And do this with both sides. have both strands pulled through the bottom loop. You can take the left strand, pull it through the left top loop, and take the right strand and pull it through the right top loop, like you see I did here. So now I'm going to tie a diamond knot. Sorry I didn't show any of this, but I will be coming out with a video on how to tie a diamond knot. But if you don't want to do a diamond knot, you can just do an overhand knot. Okay, so I finished tying my diamond knot, and now I'm just going to cut and melt the ends of the paracord like you see I did here, and you can just use your lighter to mush it down. And there you have it, guys. You made your very own 2-color paracord bracelet without a buckle. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what other paracord knots you want me to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.